Here's a quick video on an idea that might help you in your workshop. What if you have recessed can lighting above your workbench, but you like to have something like this, an LED? There's a problem. You remove the floodlight that's in the recessed can, but when you try to put the LED light in, no joy, doesn't fit. Now you can buy extensions that will bring these down, and you can get, I've seen them for 2, 3, 4 inches, but what if you wanted to bring it down like way down? Or if you just wanted it short, you could do that too. Well, the best thing to do is make your own. So here's how you can do that. My friend Mike, who's the world's greatest dumpster diver, found a bunch of these and picked them up for me. They were out of, somebody had a fixture and they didn't need these, so they cut them off. But anyway, it's just an Edison base. And then in my stash I had a bunch of these porcelain sockets here. A lot nicer than the plastic ones that you get from who knows where. So what I did, I took some conduit, and you can make different lengths. You can make these 2 inches to 8 feet if you want. Here's a shorter one. Here's a longer one I'm going to put over one of my benches. Here's a shorter one. The male end is glued in here. The wires go through, and then the porcelain socket is connected on the other end. What you end up with is an extension, and unlike the plastic crummy ones that are made out of plastic, and who knows, they might be aluminum wire with copper coating on it, which I've seen lately, which you really don't want. And you can make these things whatever length you want. So when you get this thing done, you just screw it into the socket. You've got quite a bit more light, and these use very little power too, so I've got quite a few of these can lights up in the ceiling, and they don't put out that much light. So what I'm going to do is make some more of these. I'm going to make one that's about 3 feet that comes down right over one of the benches. That way I'll be able to have it down maybe to a level down here. I have 2 of these LED light fixtures up now. Here's the one on the longer unit, and it's pretty bright. Here's a lux meter. Here's 1100 lux right over my bench here. That's kind of indirect. Over one of my main benches here, we're talking, here's 700, 700, 720, 780. So it lights up the area pretty good. It's almost too bright in some places. Nice fall day outside today. That was just a quick tip. You can buy these things, but you can make them custom length if you want. So anyway, I hope that helps you, and thanks for watching. Bye for now.